Welcome back. Welcome to the how to wash out the wax video. Like I mentioned in the last how-to video of how to spike the Mohawk, I'm going to do a shower video of how I wash it out of my hair. In the beginning here, I'm just going to kind of demonstrate, as I mentioned in my how-to video, this wax works in all weather conditions. I'm going to stick my head underneath the shower and hold it there for a little while and just show you that my hair doesn't move. It stays there. So when it's storming outside, I can go out in the rain and a downpour. I don't got to worry about my hair. It's going to still look as fresh as when I started out my day. Now to kind of get started and get into it, after it's saturated, I'm going to run my fingers through it. Try to do my best with use my fingernails and scraping out as much of the wax I can up front. Just kind of flatten it out and get it all prepped and ready. And then, like I mentioned, I'm going to use a soap bag. And I'll drop a link for that in Amazon down below. But you take just any bar of soap that you have, stick it in the soap bag. It works as kind of like a scrubby. And then you just use that vigorously on your head. Front, back, sides, wherever that wax was, and just scrub away. After a good thorough scrubbing, go ahead and rinse out the bar of soap from your hair. And then I just use regular shampoo, put that through my hair, wash it out, and it's like I never had any product in it at all. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe. Have a wonderful day.